Hello, my name is Mina Foosherian. I am a research associate at BIBA, Bremen Institute for Production and Logistics in Bremen, Germany. In this presentation, I will demonstrate some key functions of the Augmented Manufacturing Analytics Assistant. The focus of this demo is on white goods quality testing process. The scenario is related to Whirlpool's test lab where some samples of the production line arrive and the operator needs to read the product's barcode and execute the test to make sure all components on the product are in a good shape. Each operator performs this test based on their experience and knowledge. Basically, there is no systematic way to support the operators with quality testing at the moment. They need to access information through various systems. For instance, in case of defect detection, they should use defect collection system and manually find the defect and enter it in the system. COALA's goal is to assist the operators from the beginning to end of this process. I will show some small videos to demonstrate key elements of the assistant, such as registration of a new user, login through the COALA app, and some of the app features, quality control checklist execution and defect recording, interaction with analytics component via natural language, and asking for explanations related to prediction, which was made by the assistant. Regarding registration, new users can register by setting their own password. There is a consent form that can be downloaded, reviewed, and agreed upon its terms. A pseudo-anonymized username would be then generated by the anonymization service. This username and password are inserted in Keycloak to authenticate users, and upon the first login, user needs to change the password to basically activate the account. With this username and password, users can access COALA app, also the dashboard. Inside COALA app, user is asked to log in first. The login is done via browser and identification is managed by Keycloak. After login, user can provide their input via text or voice using the keyboard or the device microphone. In case of an interaction via voice, we have implemented 3 different conversation modes that I will show in the next video. User can interact with the skills via explicit and implicit activation. This means that the default skill after login is Minecraft skill, which supports more general functions such as asking for date and time or setting a timer. Users then can ask the app to activate Augmented Manufacturing Analytics skill and then can interact with these skills related to Augmented Analytics. So here is a video related to the login and app overview.
I'm not sure I understood you.
Hello, Mycroft.
You might have to say that a different way.
What time is it?
12:46.
What date is it?
It's Tuesday, May 3rd, 2022.
Okay, thank you.
My pleasure.
Start Augmented Analytics.
What can I do?
What are your capabilities?
I can provide you information about manufactured items. You can say, I want to register a new product.
Can you clarify that, please?
I am an assistant for Augmented Quality Analytics. That means I help you analyze quality data, make predictions, and access facts about products. You can start talking to me by saying, I want to register a new product.
Stop. Hello, Koala. Hi, Koala. What can you do?
I can provide you information about manufactured items. You can say, I want to register a new product.
Register a new product.
Please use your app to scan the item's QR code.
Stop, please.
Next slide is related to checklist execution and defect recording. The quality testing checklist has up to 128 unique steps, which support users with expert, intermediate, and novice expertise level. We created a graphical database for this checklist. As you can see on the right upper picture, in the database, each node is basically representing a checklist step. And each step is related to other steps and has some attributes related to checklist ID, time, or expertise level relevance. We then connected each of these steps to defects that could be recorded for it by the operators. We also create a database for products and items This video shows how the interaction with checklist execution and defect recording looks like.
Connect me to Analytics Assistant.
What do you need?
Register a new product.
Please scan the item's QR code with your app. Got it. The last 4 digits are 9130.
Start the quality testing checklist for this product.
The first component in the checklist is label. The objective is to have readability of all barcodes present on packaging label.
Next step, please.
Readability of all barcodes present on packaging label is recorded. The next component is label. The objective is to have right correspondence of label and products.
I want to record a defect for this step.
You can report one of the following defect characteristics for this step. What is the defect severity? You can say high, medium, or low.
Medium.
The recorded defect for product with SKU number ending with 9130 is component, label, has defect characteristic, IKEA wrong serial number, with severity, medium. Is that correct?
Yes.
I registered this defect in the system. Do you want to continue with the quality testing checklist?
Yes, please.
The last two videos present two features. The first feature is related to request information, which is implemented as views, such as top 5 defects for a product, product avatar, which summarizes information such as images, manuals, and bill of materials for products. And the second feature is related to the prediction plus explanations for the predictions. This video presents user interaction via information request and root cause analysis features.
I need an overview about this product.
Here is the link to the avatar for product with SKU number ending with 9130.
What are the top 5 defects for this product?
The top 5 defects for product with SKU number ending with 9130 are:
What is the most frequent defect for this product?
The most frequent defect for product with SKU number ending with 9130 is:
What is the most critical defect for this product?
The most critical defect for product with SKU number ending with 9130 is the defect with ID 1007 and priority index 60.0. For more details, click on the link below.
Please verify which are the products affected by defect ID 1001.
Following products are affected by defect 1001.
Get me the components with defect 1001.
Following components are affected by defect 1001.
Please verify which are the products affected by defect ID 1001.
Following products are affected by defect 1001.
Get me the components with defect 1001.
Following components are affected by defect 1001.
The final video demonstrates the first version of prediction and explanation features.
The most probable group of defects is defect group with ID 1201.
Why is that?
Imagine a decision tree with 3 layers. Follow these branches. FGNum is equals 0, stated is equals 1, family ID is equals 8.
Is that a good explanation?
Sorry, I'm not sure I've understood you correctly. Thinking phase do you mean? You should consider. The explanation is logically correct. The prediction model's F1 score is 0.91.
I would like to lastly point out that the app and all the skills support both English and Italian language. Thank you for your attention. Now I will hand over the presentation to Paolo.